Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So after long time we are recording video on our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how to create one basic server in our Node.js using Express library. So let's go into our VS Code. So I have created one YouTube folder. In this I will create one file server.js. Okay, so it is created. So we need to install Express library in our application. So I will open terminal. New terminal, we are in the YouTube folder. So I will write npm. Npm is the node package manager given by the node only. So npm install Express. So it will get installed in the system. Now we can use the Express library. So I will use const so that the value of this it cannot be changed. So const express equal to, it is one instance of this library of this module Express. This one we have created one instance. So require is used as it is the key feature in CommonJS, which is used to import the module in our files. So I have imported this module in our file. Now we will create one object of this Express file, Express class. The Express will give us all the facilities, all the functions, methods that we have to use, we can use for creating the server. So different methods we will use to create the server. So for basic server we need to use one of the method like app.listen. So .listen we have to provide two parameters. One is the port number. So port number is that on which we are going to run our server. So I will give 5000, and this another one is the function, any of the function. So I will give one arrow function in which I will log. This is not mandatory, this function is optional. Without this also we can use this listen method, but I will log here like what I will do, const port equal to 5000. Now here I will give port, okay. So I will use here backticks. Server is running on port $sign, then we can use the port variable here. So this is the basic application, basic server we have created. We can test it now. So I will run this file server.js. We have to use node server.js. So we got the message from this listen method and log server is running on port 5000. So let's see on our local host if we can see it on the browser. So I will write it here, localhost 5000. So we are getting this cannot get because we haven't created, on this route we haven't created any get method. We haven't given any response to the front end, to the browser from our server, from our backend. So now we will create one get method. So app.get, here we have to pass the path. On the request of this path from browser, whatever response we have sent from the second parameter, that is this function, it will, the front end or the browser will get that response. So here these are two parameters, request and response. Request we will get from the front end, and the response we will send it to front end from back end. So in response we will not go into the request part, we will see the response part. So we can use response.send. So we'll send one message like welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, I'm giving semicolons here. This is not mandatory semicolons, but we are using the semicolons in C++. These are the mandatory languages we should learn those languages. So because of the habit of those languages, I'm using this semicolon. So we have sent a message from the response object, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's again restart the server. Control C, we have stopped the server. Now again start the server. Node server.js. Server is running on port 5000. Control S. Okay, again I haven't, before restarting I haven't saved the file. Again I will restart the server. Node server.js. Okay, running on 5000. Let's see. Okay, we are getting the message, welcome to our YouTube channel. Also we can use like this to send our response, like response.json. If, as in JavaScript, we work on the objects, on the JSON data only, so we can send the JSON data like this. So response.json, I am sending one object, I'm writing one key like message, and its value like welcome to programming guy. Okay, that's it. Let's see if we get this response. Again we need to restarted and running on port 5000. Let's see on this path we get this response or no. I will refresh this one, and we are getting this object as the key is message and the value is welcome to programming guy. So we can extract in the front end these messages, all the objects, by using JavaScript methodologies. So again this is the basic server we have created. Again we will create one more API using the get method only. We will create one array of object and we will share it const we will share it in the front end. So const users equal to array of objects, it is users. So users, in users we will give one key, first name Prathamesh, age 23, that's it. Again another one, another one, I'll copy this one, Akshay 23. Okay, I'll format this one. Okay, so two objects we have in this array. We'll pass this array. Let me try like this. In JSON only I will try to pass this users of array of object. Let's see if we get this. Not in this, what we will do, we will create new API path. I'll give /users. On /users we will get all the users. Let's see how we get this request and response here, the function. Then response.json, here I will pass users array of object. Let's see on users we get these users or no. So again need to restart the server, node server.js. Again refresh this, we are getting this on the slash. Okay, so on /users, let's see. Okay, we are getting this array of object. So that's it. In this way we can create a simple and basic server using Express library in Node application. So as well as we have faced one issue, like we have to again and again restart the server. So we can use like this. We can use nodemon library given by Node. So instead of directly installing it, I will use like npx nodemon server.js. So it has started the server. So what is the feature of this nodemon is, whenever I will make any changes in the my server file, it will directly automatically restart the server. No need to stop the server and restart the server. So like this you can create and localhost print. So that's it guys, like this you can create basic server in Node.js application using Express library. So like this video and share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys.